How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to an episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our Z-TIR versus our MultiColor linear series. So first up, I have our Z3 TIR, and I brought an amber color model there. And then over here for comparison, I brought our MultiColor Z6 linear. Now I did bring an amber clear color combination here since we offer our MultiColor Zs in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. And then you can get our Z3 TIR in amber, red, blue, green, and clear. And that will be a single color unit. And then moving over here, I have our Z4 TIR in the middle. And then comparable to that is our MultiColor Z8 linear, and these units will be the same size, but you just have your MultiColor linear functionality with your Z8, and then you have your TIR functionality with your Z4 TIR. Now we do offer our Z4 TIR in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid and half-half color combinations, and our MultiColor linear Z8 is available in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in multicolor. And with your multicolor flash, you'll notice your unit is flashing back and forth between your primary and secondary colors. So moving to the middle here, I brought our Z6 TIR. Now in my Z6, I brought an amber clear color combination, so it's half amber, half clear. And here I brought our MultiColor Z12 linear in a red, blue, amber color combination. So my primary colors will be red, blue, and my secondary color is amber. Now moving back over to our Z6 TIR real quick. So we do offer our Z6 TIR in a standard model, super takedown, and brake light model. Now for example here, I did bring a brake light model. So with my brake light model and my green steady burn override cable, if I activate that cable, the unit will go to steady burn red. Now that's perfect if you would like to hook this unit up to your brake light and use that function. And then our super takedown model will go to steady burn clear. And that's if you need a warning and work light. Or again, this is our Z6 TIR brake light. And then our standard Z6 TIR will not have that functionality. It will just steady burn in the color ordered if you use your green cable. Now a quick note on my MultiColor Z12 here. Now if you steady burn your MultiColor Z, your unit will steady burn in the secondary color ordered. And again, this was a red, blue, amber color setup, for example, so my secondary color is amber. So again, if I use my green steady burn override cable and I steady burn my unit, it will steady burn in amber. And you can activate your steady burn and warning modes separately, since you'll have a power cable for your warning mode and you'll have a power cable for your steady burn override. And if you activate your steady burn override cable, it will override the warning functionality of your unit. And that goes with all of our Z series surface mounts. Now I did have my Z surface mounts programmed on different flash patterns, but all of these units will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them. And you'll also have your sync and alt sync functionality. So that covers a brief overview of our Z-TIR versus our MultiColor linear series. Make sure to check out our product pages for the full product demos, and also use our interactive players to fully demo your lights before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.